Let's go to crocodile inside.
Sige.
In our room.
Where are we? Where are we? Ha? Dito kami sa BGC. Hanap kami. First night namin ngayon. Maghahanap kami ng makakain.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Saan tayo pupunta, Yuan?
Swimming.
Swimming kami.
Yes. Paintings.
Pwede na. Ito sa baba. At di ko nakita, magtatanong ako. Hindi ako familiar sa mga ano. Pagod ka na? Baka magsuka ka na sa... Nahilo ka? Ito yung pool area niya. At kami lang ang nandirito.
Mommy, I really like to stay in the BGC.
Put down your bag. Wala akong mapwesto. Ang lahat na init. Mag-edit na lang tayo. Naka-crop top ka dyan. Taas mo yung short mo, Nas. Ano lang dito? Maganda kasi bawat tower may swimming pool. Everyday kami mag-swim. Pagurin ko lang yung
That's why something at the water. What is it?
Sabi ko sa kanila hanggang 10:30 lang kami. Ang tirik ng araw dito. Babalik na lang ulit kami mamayang hapon. Naaawa ako sa mga kulay ng mga ito. Ang hirap ibalik sa dati. Swim! Pero nag-sunblock naman yan sila. Enjoy na enjoy. Ayan ang talaga pinunta nila dito. Swimming. Tapos sa baba, may access ka rin sa gym. Maganda dito, walang bayad yung pool, walang bayad yung ibang amenities dito. Meron silang kids playroom, tapos meron din silang gym. Kanina pagkadaan namin ang daming nag-gym. Mamaya akong gabi. Libre yon, 1 to sawang access. Magre-register ka lang sa lobby. Dito na kami sa aming unit. Maaga pa, so makakapagluto pa ako. 10:40 pa lang. Yun. Remove mo na yung bag mo.
Jeff, tulungan mo ako mag-ride. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Bili ako ng ulam sa labas.
Okay.
Labas tayo. Ito, yung bawang na binili na yung nakaraan. Jet, huwag ka naman ganyan sa sagot na. Nakakalimutin kasi ako sa ano eh. Sa pinupuntahan. Tingnan lang, natatandaan ng mga bata.
Titigan mo mukha mo.
Balik ulit tayo. Huwag mo, ay, naku, Yuan, tapo na. Halika dito, halika dito. Dito ka lang. Doon ka. Dalawa yung nabubukas.
Puta po kami. Dami na.
Halika na, halika na.
Don't close. 8 or G? 8 or G? 8 or G? Nas, tingnan Nas. Sa geometry dash, Nas. Tingnan mo. Nas, tingnan Nas. Geometry dash. Piu, 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 piu. Tingnan mo ako, Nas. One. Let's go.
Merong nagsiswimming kapag gantong oras kasi hindi mainit. Jed, dahan-dahan sa pinto ah. Saka kasabi ko lang, masyadong excited sa pagsiswimming. Dali ka, dali. Ito yung malaking pool. Yung kanina maliit lang. Saka,
Swimming ulit. Hindi na mainit. Kanina kasi mainit. Sila pa din.
Mommy, come on here, Mommy. It's shallow, Mommy. Mommy, the 4 feet is, Mommy, the 4 feet is shallow for me. Mommy, the 4 feet is shallow for me. But I'm standing at the light, Mommy. I can stand at the light. Because it's so easy. It, parang, Mommy, let's go to the video. I want to go there. You want give me? No, no, no. No, I'm gonna go there. Let's go. 4 feet. And you're at 4 feet. And you can still reach it. I'm just gonna try to go up the water slope. Huh? Mommy, what's in there?
Ayan, ano na yan? Binis na ata yan.
yung Venice na ano, Grand Mall.
Diyan, abot niyo pa ba dyan?
Let's go there. Oh. Mommy, Mommy, look at me. Mommy, Mommy, look at me. I'm gonna talk with Mommy. Mommy, that's so good. Don't look. Don't look. Away.
Agamal matata, kuna matata. Pa? Sino kaya?
Automatic 20 nandiyan ka patayakan. Ang laki ng airplane, no? Luluto ko ngayon ng aming tanghalian. Hindi na ako na luto talaga ng ano lang. Ito na lang, pinrito ko na lang itong mga pang-almusal dapat namin. Aalis kami ngayon. Punta kami ng Central Square. Ipapasyal ko lang yung mga bata. Kasi palagi na lang kami nandito sa condo. Papasyal ko sila. Kakain na kami dito para magmimerienda na lang kami dun sa kalis sa labas.
Mommy,
Hmm?
represent the 50.
50%?
Yes.
Oh. Don't take it, ha? Ang laki ng tulong nitong ano namin, electric pot. Dinala ko. Pag mga simpleng lutuin dito ko na lang. Ha?
Mom, if it's 100, should I take it if it's 100?
Okay.
Oh, let's go!
Yan ang aming tanghalian.
Mommy, bro is drawing, but I see that thing. It says Audi right back.
Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi, guys.
Mommy, where are we going?
We're going to Daddy's one.
Why? Mom, why are we gonna go? Why are we gonna do that?
You are Kuya. Halika na. Saan tayo? Tayo sa Learner's Hut. Sa Central Square.
So where are we going?
Bes, pwede rin tayo dito maglakad-lakad.
Mommy, Dr. Eggman and Sonic the Hedgehog are in the movie.
Red means stop.
Whoa, it's
All.
green.
It's green na. Let's go!
Let's go red again.
Here. Hi. Go. Wait. You one. Where's Kuya? Kuya. Na.
Yay, yay, yay. 5,
Nakakalakad.
1.
Let's go.
Yay, yay, yay. Rock and roll.
Oh, go there. Ha? Oo. Oo. Dito muna tayo. Antayin mo na. Pahinga muna. Oh, remove your slippers ha before going in daw. Remove slippers, Iwan.
I am getting lucky. I am getting unlucky.
Why?
Pam pam pam. Pam 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 pam. Ang smart.
Mommy, there's a cat here, mommy.
Mm-mm.
Mommy, come on, there's a
Oh, you
cat.
get one book.
Nunod mo na ako neto.
Once
Upon a time.
Once upon a...
This one you wanna?
Get this.
The shoemaker. Shoemaker.
I already get this.
This one, no?
Okay, good.
Very hard for his living. Now that he was quite old, he had become much slower at his work. One night, as he worked on a pair of new shoes, he said, "Oh dear, I'm so tired. I simply cannot finish this shoe." He left his work on the table and went off to bed.
Mommy.
In the morning, he awoke and went straight to his shop to continue working on a pair of shoes. To his surprise, he found that the shoes had already been finished for him. As well, the shoes had been very nicely made. Oh, ganda ng shoes, oh. The night he put out
Mommy,
pieces
ito
of
pala yan,
leather.
mommy.
What's that?
Iguana.
Iguana boy? How no? It's Iguana boy. Did you read it?
Yes.
Oh, you read this one. Oh, the elves are working to make a beautiful shoe.
Mommy, look at mommy. Mommy, look at the lizard, mommy. Look at the lizard. It's so
Mm-mm.
also the one here.
Mm-mm.
It's using a helicopter. It's riding a helicopter. Mommy, do you think this is a big? Mommy, do you think this is big?
Oh, what?
Mommy, do you think this is a toy?
I think that's a helicopter.
It's a toy. Look, it's his toy. Mommy, look at the fun. Mommy, look at what? Look close to siya.
Oh, a Superman.
Look close.
A Superman. This is a bad iguana.
A real one. A real boy. Snap, snap, snap. Look na. I think
Kami sa labas.
it's not the same one.
Hindi na kami nagtagal sa ano. Ang tawag doon pa sa BGC guys.
Sa High Street.
Sa High Street. Kasi ayaw nang dapat mag-ano kami, mag
Stalker.
scooter. Eh, bawal ang ano, 18 years old below. Bawal ang mga may, ay kailangan 18 years old pataas. Wala kaming magawa. Dito na lang kami.
Kakain.
Kain muna, tapos diretso na sa pasok na para matulog. Jade, ayusin mo yung hair mo, Jade.
No, no, no. Dr. Eggman. The funny Dr. Eggman. Mama,
Hmm.
I want to eat the inside of this.
da 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 da.